Hi everyone. I want to talk a little bit today about using the filters on our stock available lists to help you narrow down the data that you might want to use. For this example, I'll use filtering on our ready date so you can see what's now ready to ship in our container availability list. So if you come over to the little triangle box in the headers and click on that, you will get some options here, and it'll show you a list of all the different data that's available in that column. So what you can do is select all, so it deselects everything, and then you can put a check mark next to now. And when you do that and then close this window, you will see that all the data has now filtered down to the what is ready to ship now materials. If you need to get back to where you can see everything again, you can come and click the filter button again. From that, you can click select all, and that will bring the entire column back. You can also do this with other types of data. So let's say that you wanted to filter for your particular hardiness zone. So you could come over here to the hardiness zone column. You could check select all, and then you could check which columns or which zones that you would want to see. So let's say you want to see everything that's zone 4, zone 3, and just select the ones that you need. At that point, you get a list that's all filtered down to just the zones that you want. And you can also use multiple filters. So we'll leave that zone filter on. And then now we're going to come over here back to ready date, and we'll click on that filter. And we just want to see what's available now. So we'll do the select all so that they clear out, and we'll check on now. And you now have a list of data that is all zone 3 and zone 4 that's ready now. Hope you found this useful. The filters are available for any of these columns that have these triangle boxes next to them. Hope it helped you out today. Thanks.